But no, seriously though, family, reason why it's important, like for me, when I'm leading a meeting, first thing I talk about is risk. And I know you're asking why you don't go into the topics on the agenda that you have first. Well, I've learned over my time that uh, sometimes you can get really great at documenting, and then you can become really poorly at executing. I'll say that again. Sometimes you can become really great at documenting, but you can become really poor at executing. And what I was noticing is that I was noticing from the teams is that we were great, we were amazing at documenting what the issue or the risk was, but we were really poor on the execution part of being more proactive than reactive. And so a lot of times with a risk, as you know, they're unknown. Some risks you know is a potential that can happen, but a risk doesn't turn into an issue until it happens. So my thing was, family, it was just like, man, I want to talk about these risks every meeting to make sure we're in front of it, to make sure we have some type of mitigated response, to make sure we're being proactive and not reactive. Because if we're being reactive, it's going to be a long, and I do mean long project. So I always talk about risk or issues at the front just to see if anything has either any new risk have formed, or the risk that we identify, the existing risk, there's a potential that it may activate.